give me 500k.
Pamela.
Pamela! Pamela! Really?
Relax.
You actually have a baby, mama.
I love you now.
You love me, but you didn't tell me you have Pamela.
Hi, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Lenzi, aka Agriba the Market Man, and with me today, I'm here with
Remy.
Remy.
Yeah.
Oh, what a beautiful name!
Thank you.
So Remy reached out and said she wants to be sure if she's the only person her boyfriend has in her life. I don't want to talk much. I want us to just hear that. So Remy, I would like you to just tell the people what you told me. Yeah.
Okay. Mm-hmm. As I said, my name is Remy. Mm-hmm. So I don't know. I really like him so much, right? Mm-hmm. But you know how things is now. So I really want to be sure if he actually loves me. This guy, he makes me really happy. Yes, and I deeply love him. You know, right? But I actually want to be sure if he loves me. You know, I'm a little bit older than him, right? But
wait, you said you're older than him?
Yes, not so much, but a little bit. Just a little bit older than him. But he confirmed to me that age is not a number, and I accept it too, that age is just a number. Wow. She gets. But I really want to be sure he loves me. I want to be so certain. I don't want to risk it. I want to be sure that the future we actually talk about is what he actually feels behind my back.
Wow. You don't tell us woman where they in love like this. Now men, they always deeply in love, but man, this is so right about now. What's your perfect name?
His name is Divine.
Divine. Wow. Okay. So let's see. Just stay with us, eh? We don't want to take much long process here. Just stay with us and let's see how we're gonna get to Divine, and let's see what happens after that. Don't forget to share this video if you watch this video. Maybe somebody will watch this video and fall in love the way Remy is in love.
Pray for me.
Alright, stay with us, yeah? Okay, I'm Mr. Divine. Mr. Divine, I'm sorry. I have the sum of 500,000 naira to give to you.
Oh, wow.
Yes. Your girlfriend asked me to give you this money.
My girlfriend?
Yes. Your girlfriend. I don't know why she asked me to give it to you. Some persons you probably might have been giving her money, so that's why maybe she wants to surprise you today, or she wants to pay back or something. But she asked me to give you this 500,000 naira on one condition. Yes, if you can just tell me her name. She just wants you to identify her name. Just identify her by her name, and this 500,000 naira will be sent to your account immediately without waste of time. You understand? Wait, and she's even here with me. You understand? Yes, she's here with me. That is why your eye is quietly blindfolded. Give me your hand. So I want you to just touch her. Let me give you a little expo. Yes, a little expo. So tell me your girlfriend's name, and you are not going to remove anything. Okay. I can help you to scratch. Okay. No remove.
All right. The only girl I know right now, they can give 500k. My baby mama now.
Your baby
Pamela. Her name now Pamela.
Your baby mama Pamela.
Pamela is the only person that can give me that is in the position right now to give me 500k.
Pamela.
Pamela. Pamela. Really? Pamela. Are you serious?
No.
With everything I've done for you. With everything I've done for you. Look at you. Do you know what I've done for you? Are you serious? Pamela!
Wait. Who is Pamela? Pamela be this thing.
I love her now. I love her too now.
Which one do you love her?
I love her too.
I love
you now.
I thought you said you love me.
Now why could they?
Which one be
I don't like come now. I don't like what they do now. Don't break relationship.
Bro, relax.
Woman, where they help my life. Woman, where they help my life.
Woman, where they help your life, but you have a baby mama. But you have a baby mama. You really have a baby mama.
Help me beg.
Are you serious?
I want help you beg her for.
Are you serious?
I'm sorry.
I'm even done.
Baby, I'm sorry.
Come now. Come, relax.
sorry.
Relax.
You're sorry.
Relax.
You're actually my baby mama.
Please forgive me. You know I love you now.
You love me.
I love you.
But you
Pamela
didn't
is
tell
just
me
my
you
baby
have
mama.
Pamela.
She's working. She have money now.
You have a baby
I don't
mama.
know. You can give me.
You tell me
I don't
that.
understand, brother. Wait, you even proud say Pamela is just your baby mama. But did you tell her? Did you tell her
Now
that?
she be the girl
Wait,
with
did you tell her that
Are
she
you
had a baby
serious?
mama?
And you didn't even
Babe,
guess
I'm
at
sorry.
all.
Sorry, I didn't tell you.
You
I'm
just
sorry.
went ahead to
I'm
say
sorry.
Pamela.
I'm sorry.
You didn't even think about me at all.
Hey, oh my God.
Guys, see what it costs
Oh
now.
my
Which one be
Why
waiting
would I
for
do
your
this
customer?
kind
Relax.
of thing? Why would I do this kind of thing now?
Relax.
Why
now.
would they
Which
do
one
this
be
kind
say I
of
dey do this kind of thing? No be she say make I come.
If my fellow man, why you not tell me say?
Why go tell you? Nobody
this
say
kind
make I
of
say
thing
make I do. They say I be your fellow man.
Are you
Relax,
serious?
just relax, man. Relax.
Babe,
Just
sorry,
calm down,
I'm
calm
sorry.
down,
Please forgive me.
calm down.
Please
Just
forgive
calm
me.
down.
I really
Calm
love
down.
you.
Oh my
Calm down.
God. Don't even tape. Don't even talk about love there.
Come, it's okay. Guys, see, I
Don't
beg
even
you.
talk about love.
How about Jesus? But if you don't, this kind you go open up, tell person where you are and the date say you get. How you know we just go tell and say you get baby mama?
Those
You
kind
didn't
of
even
things,
talk
I
about
say-
me at
I
all.
don't
You
know
didn't
she's
even
this
mention
serious.
my
too.
name.
Which one be?
So,
You don't know that
I
she's
don't
this
know.
Really?
serious.
I don't know now.
Which one be say you don't know that she's this serious?
Ah,
Oh, but mama, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Let's go. It's okay. Let's just go. Let's go. It's okay. Come on. Which kind of thing be all this one? Nah, we are pack my car self.